So this is Excel number 4, and in this one I'm just going to show you a little bit of some basic formatting that you can do. You notice that the dollars here have automatically formatted dollars because I started with it formatted. To change the way the formatting is, you can use any of the options here. So these are numbers. I've got them formatted as dollars, as I said, but you can choose different formats. You can also increase and decrease the things. I'm just going to highlight those numbers. So you can increase and decrease the decimal place. So if you wanted them rounded up, you could just decrease the number of places, and you can see that it actually rounds it up if it's more than 0.5. But these are dollars and cents, so I'm quite happy to leave them at 4. Format the heading, I just need to move up to it, and I can change the font, make it something like that. It's a little bit bigger, and maybe change the size. Well, that's probably a bit too much. Make it about 20. And then just to center it across the top, I can highlight the heading or the cells that I want to center it in and click merge and center. And then I could fill that in a little bit, maybe make it a nice green color, maybe pop a thick border around the outside. And then down here, I can also add some pretty stuff. So I could, for example, make those headings bold. I could highlight the whole thing, add some borders around the whole lot, and I could add some color. So I could make that maybe a lighter blue, and maybe make this a different color blue, or a totally different color, doesn't really matter, but we'll go with a nice blue. And there's some basic formatting. You can increase the fonts, you can increase the size of the columns, and pretty much do whatever you like with it, just using the options that are along here.